Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to backup and restore WhatsApp messages on iPhone. So let's get started. The first way is simply go to the settings app on your iPhone, then simply tap on your name at the top of the screen, then select iCloud and then iCloud backup. Then simply tap on the show all inside the apps, then enable the WhatsApp switch if it is turned off. Now for second way, go back to your WhatsApp account. Then inside WhatsApp, tap on the settings in bottom right corner. Then in settings, tap on chats. Then there you can see chats backup. Simply tap on it. Then inside chat backup, you can see backup now and auto backup. Tap on the auto backup and select daily, weekly, monthly or off as your preferences, but don't keep it off because it won't backup, and simply tap on backup now. So it will manually backup your chats to iCloud. So now the third way is simply go back to your home screen on your iPhone, then delete the WhatsApp app. After you delete it, go to the App Store and reinstall it. Then search WhatsApp on your App Store's search address bar and download it. So after download, simply open the WhatsApp app. And after you open it, you will be navigated to welcome to WhatsApp and simply agree and continue. Then log into your WhatsApp account using your number and choose your country as well to get the WhatsApp code. After that, you can see restore chat history option available there. Simply tap on it. So restoring WhatsApp messages can take some time, especially if you have a large amount of data to download and restore. So wait and continue after it restores. So that is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.